Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove an external bank account from Comerica Bank. If you don't have a Comerica Bank account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to register and get a $50 MasterCard reward card. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Transfers. On the Transfers tab, you will see an option for Preferences. Click on Preferences. Then here, you will see the list all of your external bank accounts. To proceed, click on the right arrow beside the account you wish to remove. Now, you will see an option for Delete Account. Click on Delete Account. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this account. To proceed, click on Yes, Delete. That's how you remove an external bank account from Comerica Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.